Sheet vinyl Monday, let's go. Man, I measured that too close. This bathroom's a total of 12 feet wide, but look, we're net right there. And we go out. And boom, let's bring it back in the laundry room. Chattanooga. Easy peasy, let's go. All cut in, ready to be put back into service. I really do. I just enjoy putting down vinyl. This was a piece of Congolium Airstep. Is it Evolution? Is there at their top end one? Or Airstep Advantage? Airstep Advantage. So you can see a little difficulty when you think about it, because it's 12 foot from there, and you come back into here to there. Unfortunately, I was able to roll this a little bit into the living room in this basement, and then just kind of make some relief cuts in it so I could get it in here. But still a little bit of work, especially if anybody's ever worked with that stuff. Man alive, you need 3 men and a boy to carry that stuff in. It's heavy. But just wanted to share this with you. Hope you guys have a great day. Sheet Vinyl Monday. Let's go.